Hi guys, it's little Ellie here, and today we're going to make some, some Milo slime. So I'll show my brother something first. It's so less. Okay, my brother said yes, he let me do it. I'll show you some of the one broken slime and 3 successful slime. So now we have to use is something to stir with, something to mix with, or anything like spoon and a jug, an empty jug. We need glue, food coloring, it's optional, and Milo. We need some borax and oh no, I accidentally spilled my borax. Oh, my bookmark is broken. Let me see. You can use any food coloring you want, but I'm using green and yellow. Yellow can make gold color. Like last time put too much, I did gold color. This I add green and yellow together. It becomes that color. No. I put some yellow color only. Borax and the cover. Any cover. Even the jug cover. We don't need any water anymore because I don't want to waste my water too much. Oh, there's water in here. So we don't need to take water. So we need 2 tablespoons. Actually, I'm using Hello Kitty's spoon. I don't know why, it's a toy. Yeah, you guys think I'm crazy, right? I know. See, it's so sticky when you put it on your hand. Not the Milo one. The tea slime last time I made. So 2.5 tablespoons. Next we have to mix it well until we get our consistency that we want. Next we have to put some water in. I didn't even take water. I think that's water, not borax. The wrong thing I put, then I'm going to be dead again. I think I have to put more glue. It's too much. It's too much butter in it. Not butter, I said water, okay? So let's mix. And now the last thing we have to put is borax. I don't know why I'm so happy right now. Remember to add me in Snapchat. or maybe not. And remember to click the thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe. So we have to stir it, and stir. It smells so nice. It smells so good. I don't know why. I think I put too much of the water. It become. Last time I put it too much, it become watery. Not that watery. It still can play, but it will stick to your hand. So I throw it away. Okay. There we go. I got mine, but it's too wet. Let me feel it. It won't stick. I'll show you. It won't stick. Yeah. This is the last time I made this. The yellow one. It stick to my nails. Oh, and I forgot. I made the LV nails. It's so nice. And let me stir and stir. Oh. It's quite well. Quite good. Wow. It's so. It's much better than the other. Let me take some of my slime away. Can you please subscribe to me, because I really want that golden chest plate. Not chest plate, I mean the YouTube thing. I don't know what it's called, but I still like it. My mom and dad will be proud of me, I think. And there. It's so fun to play. Let me show you. Ew, it sticks. It's so good. It feels so nice. There. And no one will notice that. So, let me take out my slime. Sorry, I moved out the way, but I don't know why. It's so slow. Let me. There it is. It's sticky too. And you'll have to knead it. It's so sticky. Sticks. And you have to play with it for a while so it won't stick. And it can stretch so long. I don't even think about this last time I made this. I didn't even think. You have to try it. You really have to try it. It smells so nice. Really. I'm not crazy, guys. I'm trying to smell. You can smell it from over here. It smells so nice. The best. Next time I'm going to make a shampoo test. Test only. You can go watch the Crafty Girls. They're so good. Slime is so good, much better than mine, because they use eye contact lens solution or anything. I don't know what. If you're Chinese, you don't know English, please comment down below and I'll do the Chinese language slime and Chinese slime. I can make all kind of slime that people will like, will tell me to do it. I don't want. Please comment down below. It still sticks to my hand. So. Look, if I touch it, it won't stick. Only a little bit. Let me get all the stuff away and let me touch it. And there's nothing on my hand. It's so cool. And there we go. Bye.